What's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm doing a quick video of a bathroom remodel I did a few years ago. I've got some interesting pictures I've been holding on to for a while, and I just thought it'd be kind of cool to put them together in a short video and just kind of show you guys the process I went through. So let's get started. So this is a before picture of the bathroom. This is what I started with. You can see I've got a cast iron tub with acrylic tub surrounds, a small single sink vanity, and a older toilet. This next picture is of the demo. I've got the cast iron tub pulled up, jacked it up. I think I used a high lift jack and then an appliance dolly to haul it out of there. So obviously they're pretty heavy. Here's a picture kind of in the middle of it. This is kind of the thick of it. This is a cool picture. You can see I've got, this is a slab on grade home, and I ended up wanting to move the toilet out of the center of the room. I moved a couple walls over, so I just offset the toilet closer to the tub, about 16 inches. So I had to cut up the concrete floor, and you can jackhammer it out and re-pour that little section. This is a picture of kind of everything starting to go back together. You can see I've got a little shampoo cubby framed out on the exterior wall there. Looks like they used to have a window in there, so that's hasn't been in there for a while, but I ended up just utilizing it as a tiled in cubby. Here you can see I've got some of the tile work done. I've got the vanity installed and the floor tile laid down. You can see the plumbing pipe over there for the toilet and the floor, and tile on the back of the cubby, so it's looking pretty sweet. Here's a picture of the shower tile all done, and the walls done, and the cubby all tiled out in the shower. So I put a acrylic tub in. I think it was American Standard and American Standard toilet. So anyways, just a couple more pictures of the finished product. Here's before and after, side by side. You can really kind of see the transformation. But yeah, so anyways, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys got any question, like and subscribe.